In this video you will learn how to fix your Wise account is being closed. Check for an email from Wise. Open your inbox and look for an official email from Wise explaining why your account is being closed. Review the reason for closure. Carefully read the details provided. Common issues include unverified identity, unusual transactions or violation policy. Log in in your Wise account. If possible, log in to see if there are any alerts or messages under your account dashboard related to the issue. Complete any pending verification. If Wise requests your ID, proof of address or business documentation, upload them promptly to verify your account and prove legitimacy. Contact Wise customer support. Reach out through the in-app chat or official website support to explain your situation to them and review a request of closure. Wait for the review outcome. Wise will review your case and contact you by email. Once a decision is made, if your appeal is successful, your account access will be restored. Now you know how to fix your Wise account is being closed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.